Could Apple finally bring 8K video recording to the iPhone 17 Pro? A fresh rumor suggests that Apple might introduce this long-requested feature, something competitors have been offering for years. If this turns out to be true, the iPhone 17 Pro could finally match flagship Android devices like Samsung's Galaxy S Ultra lineup, which has supported 8K recording since 2020. The iPhone 17 series is expected to launch in September, and as always, leaks are already circulating. Some claim that Apple is working on a major redesign, while others hint at camera and hardware upgrades. According to a tipster on Weibo, Apple may bring 8K recording to the iPhone 17, though it's unclear which models will get this upgrade. It's likely that Apple will keep this feature exclusive to the Pro models, continuing its strategy of reserving advanced camera capabilities for premium versions. At the moment, no iPhone can record video beyond 4K resolution. However, this isn't the first time we've heard about 8K video coming to iPhones. Reports in 2024 suggested that Apple tested 8K recording for the iPhone 16 Pro, but the feature never made it to the final release. If it does arrive this year, it could also enhance spatial video recording, making it even more useful for devices like the Apple Vision Pro. The real question is whether Apple will enable 8K recording on just one sensor or multiple lenses, which could impact how flexible the feature will be. Beyond camera upgrades, there are also rumors about Apple changing the build materials of the iPhone 17. While the iPhone 15 Pro introduced a titanium frame, some reports suggest that Apple might experiment with a half-aluminum, half-glass design for at least some iPhone 17 models. Whether this change will affect the Pro versions or only the standard models is still unclear. If Apple does move away from titanium, it could be to reduce costs or improve the balance between weight and durability. Another interesting rumor suggests a shakeup in the iPhone lineup. Instead of the Plus variant, Apple might introduce a new model, possibly named the iPhone 17 Air. This device is expected to be ultra-thin, with leaked designs showing it to be nearly half the thickness of the iPhone 17 Pro. If this turns out to be accurate, it could be one of the slimmest smartphones ever released. While a thinner design may appeal to users looking for a sleek and lightweight device, it could also mean compromises in battery life or internal components. If Apple does bring 8K recording to the iPhone 17 Pro, it will be interesting to see how it compares to Samsung's implementation. The latest Galaxy S25 Ultra supports 8K recording on multiple cameras, allowing users to shoot high-resolution video with more flexibility. Apple, however, is known for its advanced video processing and software optimizations. Even if Apple arrives late to the 8K recording trend, the company could introduce enhancements that improve quality, stabilization, or ease of use. As always, Apple remains silent about upcoming products, leaving fans to rely on leaks and speculation until the official event. While some of these rumors might turn out to be true, others may not make it to the final release. Regardless, the iPhone 17 lineup is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated smartphone launches of the year. Whether it's 8K video recording, a new ultra-thin model, or changes in build materials, Apple is expected to refine its technology rather than simply chasing trends. Now the big question is, should Apple add 8K recording, or is it an unnecessary upgrade? Let us know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.